everyone! Today I'll be showing you guys how to apply false eyelashes perfectly every time. Now I picked up some of my favorite products from Takealot. Without any further ado, let's get started. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the MAC 36 Lash. The most important step of eyelash application is trimming your eyelashes. So you gently want to grip one corner of the lash and pull it away from the card. This step can be a little tricky, so take your time and try not to mess up your lashes. Now the first crucial step to applying eyelashes is making sure you measure your eyelash. So you want to look down into a mirror because this is the best possible way to apply your lashes and sort of see what the measurements are like on your eye. I think I just need to trim a little bit on the outer corner of the eye. Now when you trim lashes, it is very important for you to always trim from the outer corner and never from the inner corner. So the inner corner of your eyelash will always be the shortest and the outer corner will always be the longest. So I'm going to be taking a small pair of manicure scissors. You can use any type of scissor, but this is probably the most accurate, and we're just going to trim off a little bit from the outer corner of the lash. That looks so much better. Next, we're going to go in and draw a line on the top lash line. This is going to give us a guide with regards to where our eyelash should ideally sit. For the liner, I'm going to be using the MAC liquid eyeliner. This is in the shade Boot Black. Now for beginners, I would highly recommend lining your lash line because it hides any mistakes you could be making in the beginning stages of eyelash application. Now it's time to apply the eyelashes. So you're going to start by applying glue onto the lashes. You want to make sure there is a thick enough band on the eyelashes and you have a little extra on the inner corner and the outer corner of the lash. Now the reason why we put a little extra glue on the outer corner and inner corner of the eyelash is because that's typically where your eyelash can tend to pop off, so you want to make sure it's secure. You want to wait at least 15 to 30 seconds depending on the kind of lash glue you may be using. You want to look down into a mirror because you can actually see your entire lash line, and it allows you to get your lash as close to your own lash line as possible. When placing your lash on the eye, I prefer to start in the middle and then secure the outer corner of the eye and then secure the inner corner of the eye. This is the best way to get your eyelash sitting perfectly. Now it is time to blend the natural lashes with the false ones because even though they are false lashes, we don't want them to look false. I'm going to go back in with my liquid liner and just line my top lash line once again. This just blends the lash line with the falsies lash band. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Lash Volumizing Mascara. And I'm going to apply this to my top and bottom lashes, making sure to wiggle the mascara wand at the base of my natural lashes so that they blend seamlessly into the false ones. Don't forget to check out Takealot.com for all of the products that I used in this video. That's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. Catch more of these easy makeup tutorials here on Beauty Base.